What is going up, guys? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, money management channel on YouTube. Welcome back to the team. Welcome back to the show. All right, guys, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about this, the Apple credit card. This is going to be a 1 month review of it, what my thoughts are on it, what I use it for, and kind of my pros and cons with it. So let's jump right into the video. So the Apple credit card is actually a pretty cool card. Now we're going to start off with the pros and what I use it for and kind of why I like it. Now, one thing that I love about it is the looks. Yes, the looks look amazing. It's a titanium card painted all white. It's almost like a matte white. It kind of feels smooth, but it's not too smooth. And it's awesome. It's a cool card and it's pretty heavy. Now the weight of this card is equal to the Platinum Amex card. So for those of you who are credit card junkies, it's a pretty heavy card, as you guys can hear it. So it's pretty cool. One thing that I love about it is it offers a 3% cash back, but there's a little drawback. Now you only get this cash back when you pay with the Apple payment program or the Apple Pay. So, you know, right there, a lot of places already have it. So it's kind of convenient where you don't have to bring your wallet or have your wallet everywhere you go. So let's talk about the cons. What don't I like about this card? If you notice, this card has no credit card numbers on it. Yes, it doesn't. Now, actually, how you find the credit card's numbers, you have to go into the wallet app and go into the settings and go into everything and just find it. I was on the phone with Vistaprint ordering a couple t-shirts for my business, and they said, okay, what is your debit or credit card number? So I thought to myself, I'll put it on my credit card. Grabbed it out. They said, what's your credit card number? I said, I don't know what it is. They said, what? It should be right on your card. It'll be right on the back. I said, my credit card doesn't have that. And so I had to pull it up on the app, and it took me like 15 minutes to place this order. It was ridiculous. But so there's no numbers. Another thing about this card, yeah, it looks sleek, but it's already starting to fade away. This is a 1 month review of it. And I keep it in my black wallet. I know they have like special wallets for it, but I'm not going to be spending $40 on an Apple wallet and just to hold my credit card. I find that ridiculous. Another con that I don't like about this is they really don't have that many rewards. No incentives to sign up. Now, other than that 3% cash back, but there is hundreds of credit cards out there that offer, to be honest, more. So right now, my next credit card that I'm looking at is a travel credit card, because I want to be able to use a credit card and get some travel points for it. So if you guys know of any great credit cards that offer great incentives for traveling, put them in the comments below and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. And you guys will be entered in for an Xbox One giveaway, just so you guys know. But the Apple credit card, you know, I think they could have done better. That's the bottom line. I think they could have done better. Yeah, it looks sleek. It's backed by Goldman Sachs. It's a good card. It's good. It's decent. But, you know, there's just more out there. That's the bottom line of it. There's more opportunity and more credit cards that offer better programs, better rewards, better sign-up bonuses than this. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, drop a subscribe down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Take care, and hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.